MetaTrader 5. Now, I love how simple MetaTrader 5 app is. Okay, I like the fact that it shows your profit and loss right on a trade entry. And when you put in a stop loss or take a profit, it displays the exact amount it will be if touched. Okay, it's nice and simple, and the platform looks great, right? So in this video, I'm going to be a bit reviewing this app. I'm going to assume you're a complete beginner, so forgive me if you're pro. We're going to see how the actually app works. Okay, now MetaTrader 5 MT5 is not a bank or broker. It's a trading terminal software. Think of MT5 as an engine of a car, where your broker is the fuel station holding your real funds. Okay, now this app lets you analyze and trade, helps you analyze and trade global markets from Forex pairs and gold to stocks and crypto all in one place. It's really cool. Okay, you can use it to read live charts, open instant buy or sell trades, and protect your account by setting exact stop loss and take profit levels before you even actually enter the market. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to place your first trade, calculate your profits and losses, and navigate MT5 like a pro. And also, I will take you through if you want to do the live account. Okay, yep. So let's start with the demo account. The setup process. Okay. The first time you install this app, MetaTrader 5, you will start with open a demo account. The app starts by giving a chance to use a risk-free account, okay, for demonstration. And they tell you to trade using real money, you need to apply for a real trading account. So let's first try to use the demo account. Then we see how you to apply for a real trading account. In a demo account, you can't make real losses because you're not going to use real money or withdraw your money. So let's say open an account. Okay, first name. So I'm going to fill in this. Okay, then we're going to proceed. Okay, here you're going to put your number, your email, server. You can leave it as it is. Account type, you can leave it as it is. Leverage, you can leave it. Deposit, this is virtual money, so you can leave it to this is 100,000 USDT, US dollars. Okay, so I'm going to leave all this default. I'm just going to put the number. Okay, so after installing the app, after you have done installation of the demo account, let's go back to the starting point. Let me go. Okay, now the app has 5 main tabs. The quotes, this shows the live price list of currency pairs and assets. There is the charts, technical analysis screen with indicators, objects, and time frames. Okay, we have the trade, shows the open position, live profit and loss, balance, equity, and margin. We have the history, record of cross trades, deposits, and past performance. Now this account, I've just set it up afresh for just demo purposes. Okay, it's not the main account that I'm using. Then we have the messages. You can push notifications, news, and app configuration. Okay, so we're going to try to see the main features. We're going to try to concentrate on how you can do trading in this app. Some of these things I may not go into the main details. Okay, we have manage accounts. This is where you switch from the demo to the live trade account. We're going to see about setting up the live trade account. Okay, now let me first go back to the quotes. Okay, this is the main dashboard for tracking market prices. You will see like there is pay and spread. Shows instruments like euros, USD, EUR, USD, or pound, USD, alongside live bid and ask prices. The small numbers that you see, this 273, 487, This represents the spread in points, the broker's fee per kind of the trade. Okay. There's daily change. This shows, for example, this 0.29. This displays the real-time market segment. Okay. In blue for bullish movement. Okay. And then where you see this red, that red is for bearish movement. Okay. We also here see the high and low. Indicates the highest and lowest prices reached during the trading day. The L is the low and the high is the high. Okay. So we have also the navigation bar. You cannot at the bottom red. There is something like 34.5. It gives a real-time summary of your current running loss or profit across the entire app. So I've already made losses. Okay. So if you make losses here in the demo, just know like in real life it can be even terrible. Okay. I feel let me go to the charts. Okay. This screen allows for price action analysis. It kind of indicates the 5-minute candlesticks. Every green and red bar represents 5 minutes of price movement. Okay. I won't really spend a lot of time here. Let me go to the trade tab. Okay. This screen tracks money and open positions, balance. When I was setting it up, remember I said I asked for like 100K. Okay. So this is the starting cash in the demo account that we have just set before the open trades are calculated. The equity account value if all trades were closed immediately. Okay. All right. There's margin and free margin. This is collateral locked by the broker to hold this trade open. Then there's this free margin. It's a capital left available to open additional positions. Okay. So it's important to note that the trade isn't finalized until closed. Okay. All right. So let me go to. Okay, there's a history. Okay, this is a demo account, so we don't have a lot of in the history. Okay. Okay, so let me first go back to the first. I don't know if my net is slow. Okay, let me go to the menu. Okay, so when you go to the menu, the green bar in the top right confirms the account. The demo account is active. Okay, so this is allowing you risk-free practice. Okay, if you see like there is live, it means it's actually a live account. You can manage your account from here. It's used to add broker logins or switch between the demo or live real money accounts. Okay. Let me go back to, okay, you can see here. Let me go back to, okay, to the menu. There is mailbox. I'm not really going to go into these details. Mailbox, normal broker updates and economic announcements. There's journal, system logs, and all that stuff. Okay. So we're going to see how you can kind of how you can enter into a trade. Okay. When you click here, okay, a trade, this is where you land. Then you're going to click on the plus icon. Okay, from the trade screen, there is this. You open the order entry ticket. Okay. All right. So at the top, I have EUR, euros, and USD. This is the currency pair I'm about to trade with. Okay. Order type, I'm having here market execution. This means your trade will open instantly at the current live price. We have the lot size bar 0.01. This is the trade size value. Okay, volume. This is actually 0.01 is a micro lot, the safest size for beginners. Okay, I think if you're a beginner, you can try to make sure like your lot size is actually like 0.01. As you become a pro, you can use the minus 0.01 on this side to kind of adjust it up and down. Okay, This side on the left 0.01, or you can use on the right side. Okay, we have the stop loss. This side, the price where the MT5 automatically crosses your trade if you're losing, preventing mass losses. Then on the right side, we have the TP, profit, the target price where MT5 automatically crosses your trade in profit to lock in the guide, to log in the gains. We have the execution buttons here down. We have sell by market, which is in red. You click this if you believe the price is going to go up. Sorry, if the price is going to go down. Okay, so that is the red. The price is going to go down. You click that sell, you sell. Okay, because the price is going to go down. Then if you think like the price is going to go up, you click this blue buy by market. In other words, you buy when you believe the price is going to go up. Okay, normal stuff. Okay, so when you click on market execution, okay, it will open your trade. All right, so this one opens your trade immediately at the current market price. You can list buy, limit, sell, limit. This one sets a target to automatically buy lower or sell higher than the current price. Then there is buy, stop, sell, stop. This one sets a target to buy if price breaks above or sell price breaks below a key level. Stop, limit orders. I think this one is advanced two-step pending orders. We can kind of leave it for now. Okay, how do you know if you have made a loss? Let me try to go here. Okay, so red versus the blue numbers. Okay, let me try to go. Okay, so the moment you see it's a loss, it's in red, it's actually minus. You just know actually that is a loss. If it's blue, you're currently in a profit. Okay, so so if you look at the bottom of the navigation bar, the middle icon continuously actually shows you like if displays the total open profits or losses across all active trades. Okay. All right. Let's see. For some reason, actually, my computer is actually not responding. Okay, so that is okay, guys. So that's what I can say. Let me know if you want to know something in this app. I advise you to check a simple tutorial if you're going to start trading, but here you can try to practice as much as you want. Remember, there are no losses. This is free money that I'm trying to play with. Okay, so you can play whatever you want to play. You can adjust whatever you want to adjust. Okay, so trading on a Rio account, you need to open a Rio account with a broker, then log into that account inside the MT5 app. Okay, so you have to choose a registered Forex /CFD broker such as XNS, XM, IC Markets. You can visit the broker's official website or app to register an account. Then you have to complete identity verification, uploading your ID, passport, and proof of address, and all of that stuff. Then that's when you have to fund your account using the preferred deposit method. Once approved, the broker will provide you with your MT5 login credentials, account /login ID, and a password or trader password. Okay, then a server name, I think. Then you can come and log into the real account in the MT5 app. Okay, once you have the credentials, connect your real account inside the MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, So you have to really after that you have to open you have to tap the menu as I've showed you, tap trade, then you can try to sorry, you have to manage accounts. Okay, you have to click on manage accounts, then you have to click on plus, okay, at the top. Okay, that is on the top right. Okay, then you have to kind of find the blocker. Okay, in the find blocker search bar, type the name of your brokerage firm and tap on it when it opens. Then after that, under login to an existing account, enter that login ID and the password and the exact server name specified by your broker. It's really important you take note of that, then you log in. Okay, so you can switch between accounts. After logging in, your real account will be saved on your MT5. You can switch between your demo and real accounts at any time by going back to manage accounts and tapping into the account you wish to trade with. As simple as that. I believe the live account will show here it's live. If you're on a demo, it will show it's on a demo. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Okay, guys. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in reviews like this concerning trading apps. Okay, forex and stocks. And I'll see you in the next video. Options you can, if you can leave a like or a comment, and bye bye. Okay.